Can't decide what you want to be for Halloween, so you're like, you know what? Let me go to the Halloween store and figure it out. But then you remember it's 2020, and the thought of going outside gives you crippling anxiety. So you just kind of stand there frozen, unsure of what to do next, and you start sweating a lot. Well, that is not a problem because I have figured out the best costumes that you can make all in the comfort of your home with the clothes in your closet. Isn't that great, y'all? It's free and it's great. So let's get into it. A stereotypical frat guy at every college party. Joyce Byers in season 1 of Stranger Things. This costume could also be Will Byers from season 2 of Stranger Things. The black woman in every Tyler Perry movie that goes through way too much unnecessary trauma. Everybody's favorite grandma and or auntie during the holidays. A kindergarten teacher. A bisexual. A bisexual coming out of the closet. Sinbad in Good Burger. A disco queen. A disco queen but in denim. A Great Value brand version of Where's Waldo. A booger. That one outfit everybody wears in the fall. The girl in any teen movie that everyone thinks is quirky because she wears glasses. Lilo right before she beat Myrtle's ass. Neapolitan ice cream.
The pants are the cone, and the hat is the cherry on top.
Do you get it? Somebody whose favorite color is yellow. A Karen.
Oh my goodness, are you black? And existing in my presence? I don't think so. I'm calling the police. I cannot believe you would even think to do that. Yeah, hello 911. Did you just try and rob me? Yeah, hello 911. I'm being harassed by a black person.
A Dr. Seuss character that never got approved. An indiscreet murderer. A bisexual in a different flannel.
Stand by.
A cotton swab. This costume could also be a beginner in most forms of martial arts. A boy band member. Great Value brand angel. Your period and all the shit that comes with it. Cinderella, but only the shoes.
Okay guys, so that is the video. I hope you all enjoyed and were able to find your next Halloween costume in this random bunch of ideas. Be sure to like and subscribe and join the circle today. And thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I don't know how we managed to reach that milestone even though I was gone for 2 months, but thank you so much. I've got a couple videos coming up, so keep your eyes out for that. Be sure to have a happy and safe Halloween. Safe, emphasis on the safe. Be safe, y'all. And I will catch you guys next video. Bye!